Hello, this is Ian Stevenson, and this is the video walkthrough of the 2016 Boston Whaler 330 Outrage. As you can see, this boat is equipped with the twin Joystick piloting 350 Mercury Verado powerhouse motors, and truly a great lounge boat, fishing boat, very multi-purpose. Expansive aft swim platform that's full beam, along with a really nice port side dive door, great for boarding or gaffing a fish. As you step aboard, very massive cockpit. You have starboard side and port side fish boxes, pull down bench seating that's easily collapsible for a full work around actually working a fish. Nice fillet bait prep center, sink basin, and of course the Yeti cooler down below. At the helm, complete control of your joystick motors with the joystick there, skyhook technology. This had a custom electronics package installed, flush Garmin 15-inch touchscreens. The head compartment down below, sink basin, shower, vacuum flush head. Taking a step to the bow, beautiful clamshell seating. This table actually goes down to create a full sun lounge with a pad, through-hole windlass forward, as well as numerous rod holders. This boat also has the shade system up top attached to the hardtop here. As you can see, the boat is equipped with the second station, very loaded with electronics. We'll take a step up to the second level. Again, the non-skid up here. Nice bench seat. Perfect to get that great viewpoint when backing down on a fish below. And what a view. This again has been the video walkthrough of the Boston Whaler 330 Outrage. This is Ian Stevenson, and we'll see you out there.